Okay, I'm working on the slide switch mechanism, and I'm kind of in a low light setting here because the LED is pretty dim. But I've had to jury rig it here. I've got the, I think it's 3-volt battery pack, no, 6-volt battery pack, and then I've gone to aluminum foil here, which I've just taped down to some paper. And then I've breadboarded that here because I don't have the LED sticker lights. And I've had to kind of monkey around with some resistors, so I don't have a meter to meter that to know what my resistance should be, so I'm doing the best I can with that. So with the slide switch, what's supposed to happen here is you have 3 or 4 contacts there that when you fold this over, it gives you an intermittent or animated beam that goes across there as it lights up. And let's make sure we're going here. Really hard to see, but it's lighting up. And my son, who's the electrical engineering genius, says because I use tin foil instead of copper. Well, there you go.